Hi friends, welcome to CrackU's video series. Today we are going to discuss the most expected general awareness questions for IIFT exam. For latest updates, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Let's see the first question. In which city the headquarters of International Labour Organization is located? The headquarters of International Labour Organization is located in Geneva of Switzerland. It is established in 1919. Next question. Santosh Trophy is associated with which sports? Santosh Trophy is associated with football. It is established in 1941. Who is the CEO of HDFC Bank 2020? CEO of HDFC Bank 2020 is Sashidhar Jagadishan. HDFC Bank was established in 1994. Its headquarters is in Mumbai. What is the currency of Bangladesh? The currency of Bangladesh is Taka and its capital is Dhaka. So it is very easy to remember. Who is the winner of the World Food Prize 2020? The winner of World Food Prize 2020 is Dr. Ratan Lal. He was given this prize for developing and mainstreaming a soil-centric approach to increasing food production that restores and conserves natural resources and mitigates climatic change. This award was established in 1986. Which of the following countries is not among the boundary countries of Black Sea? Black Sea has Ukraine to the north, Russia and Georgia to east, Turkey to the south, Bulgaria and Romania to the west. So, Libya is not one of the boundary countries of Black Sea. To remember this, we can simply use this small code TR square BUG, where T is Turkey, 2 R's are Romania and Russia, BUG are Bulgaria, Ukraine and Georgia. Next question. The P waves of an earthquake are what kind of waves in nature? The P waves of earthquake are longitudinal waves in nature, whereas the S waves are transversal and L waves are surface waves. What is India's rank in International IP Index 2019? IP Index is Intellectual Property Index. Its rank is 36th rank. Who wrote War and Peace? Leo Tolstoy has written War and Peace. This was published in the year 1867. LIC, that is Life Insurance Corporation, has completed acquisition of 51% controlling stake in which of the following banks? It has completed with IDBI Bank. IDBI Bank is Industrial Development Bank of India. Its headquarters is in Mumbai and it is established in 1964. In which of the following states did PM Modi unveil the Statue of Peace? PM Modi has unveiled the Statue of Peace in the state Rajasthan on the remembrance of 151st Jayanti celebrations of Jainacharya Sri Vijay Vallabh. Which of the following states of India has Asia's first solar power enabled textile mill? Parbhani district of Maharashtra is said to have Asia's first solar power enabled textile mill. That mill name is Jai Bhavani Women's Cooperative Textile Mill. Which state has won 4 awards for success in fishery sector? Assam state has won 4 awards for success in fishery sector. The parent company of the brand Tropicana is? The parent company of the brand Tropicana is PepsiCo. India and which of the following countries held joint naval exercise Bongo Sagar? India along with Bangladesh has held this joint naval exercise called Bongo Sagar. As per the latest Forbes list, who among the following is the highest paid actresses in 2020? Sofia Vergara is the highest paid actress in 2020. Lokrang festival is celebrated in which of the following Indian states? Lokrang festival is celebrated in Madhya Pradesh. This festival is like the festival of folk dances, music and ethnic dances. Which of the following companies is the first Indian company to reach a market capitalization of 13 lakh crores? Reliance is the first Indian company to reach a market capitalization of rupees 13 lakh crores. Who is the first Indian woman to win an Olympic silver medal? PV Sindhu is the first Indian woman to win an Olympic silver medal. Which among the following national parks is the world's only floating national park? Keibul Lamjau is the only floating national park in the world. It is situated in Manipur district of India. The mobile app called Green Delhi has been launched by who among the following? The mobile app called Green Delhi has been launched by Arvind Kejriwal sir. In this app, we can click the pictures of the pollution and any burning of the garbage and all and upload in that app, and immediate action will be taken at that place. Name the app launched by the Road Transport and Highways Ministry to enhance road safety. IRAD is the app launched by Road Transport and Highways Ministry. IRAD is Integrated Road Accident Database Project. Who among the following is the Nobel Prize winner for chemistry in 2020? Emmanuel Charpentier is the Nobel Prize winner for chemistry in 2020 for her work in molecular mechanism of bacterial immune system. A tradition of trust is a tagline of which bank? It is the tagline of Allahabad Bank. In which of the following states will the 13th major port of India be set up? The 13th major port of India will be set up in Maharashtra. The Union Cabinet gave approval of new port at Vadhavan in Maharashtra. Hindustan Zinc Limited has signed a pact with which of the following state governments to set up a greenfield zinc smelter in the state? It has signed a pact with Gujarat state. India's rank in Global Hunger Index 2020 is 94th rank. Which of the following companies ranks first among India's PSUs among Forbes World's Best Employer 2020? NTPC. What is the name of the cyclone that recently hit the Indian states of West Bengal and Orissa? It is Cyclone Amphan. It was in the month May 2020. Friends, CrackU is providing 5 IIFT latest pattern mock tests. Please do check our website and get enrolled. Which of the following countries the Navy successfully tested a new high energy laser weapon that can destroy aircraft mid-flight? USA. Which of the following is the largest archipelago in the world? Malay is the largest archipelago in the world. Archipelago means chain or set of islands grouped together. Who is called as the father of Operation Flood in India? Verghese Kurien is called as father of Operation Flood in India. He is the social entrepreneur and he is also called as the father of White Revolution. An increase in the population of fishes is called as Blue Revolution. Which of the following imaginary lines almost divide India into two equal halves? Tropic of Cancer divides India into two equal halves. Who decides allotment of symbols to the political parties? The Election Commission decides allotment of symbols to the political parties. Triptychas are the sacred books of which religion people? These are the sacred books of Buddhists. It is said that they have a record of words of Buddha in that book. Which Sultan of Delhi had died while playing Chaugan, also called as polo? Qutbuddin Aibak has died while playing Chaugan. Australian antigen is related to hepatitis B. Indravati is a tributary of which river? Indravati is a tributary of Godavari river. Which is the state fruit of Tamil Nadu? Jackfruit is said to be the state fruit of Tamil Nadu. Who designed the national flag of India? Pingali Venkaya has designed the national flag of India. World Music Day is celebrated on which day every year? World Music Day is celebrated on June 21st every year. Friends, please do visit our website CrackU to download IIFT previous papers. Peechi Dam is constructed in which state of India? Peechi Dam is constructed in Kerala state in Thrissur city. Gangotri National Park is located in which of the following states? Gangotri National Park is located in Uttarakhand state at Uttarkashi. It is most famous for treks. What is the capital of Assam? The capital of Assam is Dispur. Karyala is a form of folk drama from which state of India? Karyala is the form of folk drama from Himachal Pradesh of India. Rabat is the capital of which country? Rabat is the capital of Morocco. Friends, CrackU is providing 5 latest pattern IIFT mocks. Please check our website and get enrolled. Silver Revolution is associated with eggs. Scientific name of laughing gas is nitrous oxide. What is the scientific name of vitamin C? The scientific name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. Please do visit our website for latest pattern IIFT mocks and download the previous papers of IIFT, and please do like, share and subscribe our channel to get more updates. Thank you all.